Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Notion. If you've ever deleted text by accident, moved a block to the wrong place, or made a change you didn't mean to make, don't worry. Notion gives you a quick and simple way to reverse your last action. Knowing how to use undo can save you time and help you work with more confidence, especially when you are editing notes, databases, or pages with a lot of content. The fastest way to undo in Notion depends on the device you are using. If you are on a Mac, press Cmd+Z on your keyboard at the same time. This will immediately undo your most recent action. On Windows, the shortcut is Ctrl+Z. Just press those two keys together and Notion will roll back the last change you made. Keyboard shortcuts are usually the easiest and fastest option, especially if you are making edits in real time. If you accidentally remove a paragraph, change formatting, or move something by mistake, using the shortcut right away can help you restore it almost instantly. If you prefer not to use keyboard shortcuts, or if you simply want another way to access the same feature, you can also use the menu inside Notion. To do that, go to the top right corner of the Notion page and click the three dots icon. This opens a drop-down menu with additional page options. In that menu, select Undo. As soon as you click it, Notion will reverse your last action just like the keyboard shortcut does. This menu option can be especially helpful if you are using a setup where keyboard shortcuts are less convenient, or if you are still learning your way around the app and want a more visual method. One useful tip is to undo as soon as you notice the mistake. That makes it easier to reverse exactly the action you intended. If you continue editing after an error, the most recent action may no longer be the one you want to fix. So it's a good habit to correct mistakes right away. That's all there is to it. To undo in Notion, use Cmd+Z on Mac, Ctrl+Z on Windows, or open the three dots menu in the top right corner and choose Undo. Once you get used to these options, fixing small mistakes in Notion becomes quick and effortless.